Here we have the KWM1932HH new wireless handheld microphone system from Kam, and we're going to show you what happens when you first receive it. Obviously you'll see the new all colour retail box that the unit comes supplied in, and as you begin to open it you'll notice the amazing 3-year warranty that Kam offer on all of our wireless radio products, new ones being no different. As you open it, find it all nicely packed and laid out inside, showing you the 2 handheld microphones, the batteries for those units, your audio cable and your power supply to power the actual receiver. And if you lift that level off, you've then got the receiver itself underneath. So now we've unboxed the unit, and you can see that you've got a nice metal chassis on the actual receiver itself. The microphones very nice and easy to hold, slightly rubberized feel to them so that you get a nice grip on there. They're also quite heavy as well. So now if we plug the receiver in, so there's 2 options with the KWM1932HH. You can choose either 863 and 864 megahertz or 863.5 and 865 megahertz. So you choose which one is suitable for you. Obviously, if you're going to need 4 microphones, you can buy both packs and they will work all at the same time with no interference across both channels. One other feature to mention about these microphones is that obviously they come supplied with standard batteries, 2 AA batteries for each mic, but this is also a rechargeable feature. So you can see the connectors on the bottom of the microphone that allow it to be plugged into a recharge unit, which you have to buy as an additional extra item, and then you can put 2 of these into the charger to recharge them if you're using rechargeable batteries. So it obviously saves you money, costs you a little bit more in the first instance, but in the long term it will actually save you quite a lot of money, so well worth looking at if you use your microphones a lot. You've then got LEDs for the AF, that's the audio frequency, and the RF, the radio frequency. So these will light up either when you turn the microphone on to show that there's a connection, or when you speak into the microphone, so it actually shows the level of audio is there, and that's how you could adjust that level using these controls here. Very clearly labelled to show you what frequencies are being used, and you can also see very quickly from this whether the microphone is in mute mode or whether it's actually turned on. On the back you've got your antennas. Now these are fixed into it but fully adjustable, so that when not in use you can simply fold them down and keep them out of the way, but when you want to use it you just twist them round so they're in an upright, or if you've got it rack mounted and there's a lack of space, you can have them sticking out vertically or horizontally towards the back of the unit. You've got balanced XLR outputs for each of the individual mics, and also a mixed output on a jack. So that's what the cable that's actually comes supplied with the unit, so you can actually take a mixed feed from both microphones into your desk if you've got a limited number of outputs or inputs on your desk. Obviously for the best use you really want to be using the balanced XLR outputs on there. And that's it, that's the KWM1932HH new dual handheld microphone system from Kam.